We got the top 2 deals at the Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, we got the open box item or open box section here. We got a jack here, Daytona jack, a 167 2-ton. Looks like a tile saw. This is a Chicago Electric 223. Looks like almost brand new, so maybe they just cleaned it out. Got the electronic lock and gun safe, floor safe. 119. And then we got a hex key there on the top that I did not see a price. Alright, they got these sockets, guys, $21.99. These are solid sockets. Definitely check them out. They just make some really good sockets here, especially these impact rated. You got a 32 TPI professional air reciprocating saw blade. This is mostly for the Chief tools. Got the battery bundle. Buy 2 or more batteries for $49.99. Those are the new batteries, by the way, the new Hercules batteries. I don't know if these are the 21700. Some of you were saying that these are the 21700s. I don't know if exactly all these batteries are, or maybe just the bigger ones, the 12 amp hour. I know they have a 12 amp hour and an 8, I believe. And maybe those are the ones that are 21700 cells. But these seem to be about the same size. Actually, they seem to be a little bigger, but who knows. And they do have quality cells. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this brand, but they do have Samsung cells inside these batteries. Great batteries, by the way. I still have mine from like years back in the day. Alright, we got the instant savings. This is ends 8/18. You got a nice tool set here, $54.99 with 3 different ratchets. You got a non-slip toolbox, solid liner, $5.99. So you got some other stuff down there. And on the other side, we got the wire stripper, $3.99. You got a brush there, foldable utility shovel, and then you got a light bar there, 42-inch light bar, $144. You got the vehicle weight dolly for $124. You got a spray gun there for $29.99. You got a SDS Max, $239. So if you got a big project going on, you're gonna be demolishing a lot of flooring, there you go. This is a great place. We're gonna go over some of these items throughout the store. So that is a socket set. I will definitely try and get that socket set. That's a nice socket set right there. Alright, you got the, what is that, the Jackery Power Station, $259. You got impact wrench there to the left, $74. You got a jack for $124. That's the Jackery station. It seems to be 400 watts peak power. So be sure to check. You got a step bit there, $15.99. And you got another jack there. You got rubber air hose. You got a compressor. So pretty nice deals this time around. That's a nice bottle jack, by the way. Alright, on this side we got the brushless, cordless 4.5 5-inch slide switch angle grinder. It is brushless tool only. You got a welding clamp, electric hoist, a sander, an extension cord. So lots of good stuff to look at. Alright, so we got the jacks, really nice jacks. My brother does have the yellow one. It works really well. I also talked with some the tire shop that I go to. They have these, nothing but Daytona and Pittsburgh jacks. They say they last a long time. They beat them up pretty much 24, not 24/7, but you know, 12 hours a day basically. Alright, so this one's the one that's on sale. It's a 3-ton Pittsburgh jack. It's down to 124. It's a 3-ton floor jack basically. That is the instant savings, down from 144. Alright, you got this racing jack. This is a 1.5 ton, maybe for lighter duty vehicles, $159. It is 2-ton according to what it says there. Alright, you got this dolly here. Is a Tona dolly, 5,200 pound capacity, 124 down from 149. Not too bad. Really nice looking jack there, dolly. Alright, so you got the heavy duty bottle jack, $34.99. Now this is something really nice. If you guys got a truck, you know, a lifted truck or you know, a taller vehicle, that's a great jack there. Alright, so you got the Badland Apex on sale, 12,000 pound winch. Yeah, for, you know, for what you're getting, I think this is a really good price. If you're considered about quality, you can get an upgraded, you know, an extended warranty. But, you know, definitely check it out. A lot of YouTubers on the off-road community use these. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys use any of these tools. That'll definitely help somebody out, you know, that's shopping for something similar like this, or like any of these tools that I show on this video. So $529 with the Inside Track Club membership. And then you got some smaller winches. They got a full line of winches now. They got some recovery straps. So pretty nice line of recovery straps and winches that they got here. Then it got anywhere from 2,500, 3,500, 9,000, 12,000. Alright, so you got the rock lights. These are Road Shock LED 2-piece, 320 lumen, $26.99. You got the Badland shovel, $11.99. So if you guys are like to go off-road into something like this, this is a nice little shovel. Alright, we got another open box section here. We got a, looks like a Bauer charger there for 19 bucks. We got an angle grinder, $71.98. Got a grease gun, or it's a, not a grease gun, it's a riveter. You got a nailer, $63.98. It's a finished nailer. It says open box. You got this vacuum. This is a 4.5 horsepower, 9-gallon vacuum. And then you got this power washer here, 153 electric. Alright, yeah, this is one of the platforms I want to get. This is always great. Big shout out to the Deno Tools. He's always mentioning this item in his videos. You know, save your back, be smart about it. Every time you're unloading a heavy, you know, a heavy item off your truck, a toolbox or whatever you're buying, this is a great item to have. Just slide it in and basically just you know, bring it down with this device. Hydraulic table cart. So $349 for the more expensive one, and I believe $100 less for the other one. You got 2-ton capacity safety stands, $79.99. Then you got these guys. These are new. I never seen these before, especially in all the colors that they come in. So $74.99. It says compared to the Craftsman. Sorry about the blur there. It's hard to get the frame. You got the new Icon Creeper. It does have some really big, nice tires, casters, and they are rubber, by the way. So really good quality. So $89.99 or $129.99 for this. This is a 43-inch professional creeper, and then you got the compact detailed seats, $69.99. Now this is the one that I want. Hopefully I'll get it when it goes on sale. And then if you guys haven't been in the channel since I started doing solar. So I'm thinking of going back and just build myself another solar array and another solar system, smaller. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys would be interested in that. I used to charge all my batteries and you know, run about half of my house on solar. You know, save myself some money in the bill. Alright, you got the 61-piece half-inch drive impact sockets at $169. That's going to be a new item, by the way. And these are the sockets. Like I said, I definitely recommend these sockets for you guys. This is a great brand. Even if you're a pro, you do got a lifetime warranty on these. So you can come in and bring your socket and they'll exchange it for a new one if you break it. I've used these so many years and I haven't broken any. So I haven't heard of anybody breaking a impact socket. I mean, over time they do wear out. You know, they wear out from the impacts from the impact guns. But other than that, no issues whatsoever. You got the locking pliers here. These are low budget, basically. You know, just cheap locking pliers and pliers. This is great for a junkyard bag or something like that. Not necessarily higher quality. You got bolt cutters here, 18 for $12.99. I think that's a pretty good deal for the bolt cutters. Alright, we got a breaker bar. This is an extendable breaker bar. I wasn't very convinced when I was actually trying to, you know, extend it. Seems a little flimsy. I think this part is somewhere where you can bend this tube. I mean, it could work for the, you know, for the smaller stuff. But obviously, if you want an extendable breaker bar, you want to get that leverage. So I would definitely recommend something solid, you know, like a regular breaker bar. And then you got the preset lug nut torque wrench. They got really fancy with these. Might as well just buy a cheap torque wrench and, you know, torque your tires there. Then they got the Icon 24K gold plated. Professional ratchet special edition 90 tooth from Icon, $69. Little pricey, but if you're a fan, then you got this low profile 90 tooth, $36.99, 3/8. They got the new lower price, $59.99, set with the case, 146 pieces. Yeah, this is actually a newer set that I haven't seen before. It's just weird how Harbor Freight's doing it now. So I guess this is like a generic toolkit for the apartment, for the house. Somebody just getting a house, maybe the first car. It's just a basic kit. It's pretty decent actually. You know, it does include some. I don't know why you would get some clamps with it though. You know, I believe the clamps would be kind of useless. Basically, not useless, but you know, who knows what you're going to be using a clamp for. Alright, so you got $7.99 for this 3-piece socket tray organizer. And then you got this heavy duty impact. I didn't know they still made these. This is actually a newer design. But yeah, it's an impact wrench basically, or an impact driver, you would call it. $7.99 for the screwdrivers. Now this is a pretty decent set. It's not the best, guys. If you guys want a better set, I will definitely go with Quinn. This is a much nicer screwdriver. This does include the 2 precision screwdrivers. And then they got this. This is a Gordon. I never seen this before. This is a new item. 56-piece precision. So if you're doing smaller projects and stuff like that, you know, cutting with the razor knife, you got a really nice kit here to scrape or whatever you have to do. And then they do have a smaller one, so they got 2 different ones here. One's $11 and the other one's $4.89 or something like that. Here's the smaller one, 13-piece precision knife set. Alright, you got $9.99 for the 9 feet camel 5mm thick tarp. I ended up picking one of these up just in case I have to cover up something. So it seems to be pretty thicker, a lot thicker than this one. This was for lighter duty use or just temporary, maybe a week or a couple weeks. Definitely you don't want to carry that in the back of your truck. It'll just come into pieces basically. You got the Gel Fit Fanatic. Let me know in the comment section if you guys use this knee pads, or what do you think about these. Yeah, Harbor Freight does have a lot of engines, smaller engines. If you guys got maybe a weed eater or a mower or riding mower that needs an engine, Now this is the place to come and buy your engine. These are solid. These are very solid engines. These are the bigger ones here. 301cc, and then you got the 420. And then you got the 459, and then the bigger one. This is the V-twin, or I believe it's a V-twin. 670cc. It does have the electric start. Then you got the Ghost here if you guys do go-kart racing and stuff like that. So this is the Ghost. Apparently it's their high performance engine. And then you can get all these parts for it. You buy yourself a kit. Alright, here's the Jackery power station. This is the smaller power station that they have for $259, I believe. So it's pretty good if if you're camping and stuff like that. For smaller stuff, maybe a small fan, a smaller TV charger. You got an extension cord here, $44.99, 25 feet by 10. Generator, duty, twist, lock, extension cord. So if you guys doing the RV or all that stuff. You got auto feed handheld drain cleaner. This is the drain cleaner that I was telling you guys that I have. This thing's a beast. If you got an older house, this is a must. A rental property, this thing's a must. A lot better than the Ryobi one. So don't buy the Ryobi one. Sucks. Alright, so you got the lights. This is you can put that in a closet. It's a nice little light. You get a neck light here, $24.99 lower price, 290 lumen. And it looks like it's rechargeable too. Alright, and I have this shipper shredder. It works pretty good. I haven't had a chance to use it more, but from whatever I used it like 3 times already. From what I've used it, I think that thing's solid. They do have greenhouses, if you guys didn't know, the 124 for the cheaper one. But this material, these are higher quality greenhouses. I would definitely go for these if you're getting serious about this. These are thicker plastic, and the other one's more like a tarp or something, like a really light duty tarp. This one's more thicker plastic. Alright, you got the brushless angle grinder, $99 from Hercules. Then you got the cheaper angle grinder. This is a corded version, $14.99. It's pretty cheap, but it'll, if it'll cut you a small piece of metal or whatever you have to cut. Then you got $19 for this 36-inch trigger clamp. I've used this brand before. This brand is solid, so definitely check it out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. I know this video is like super long already. There's a lot more stuff to cover, but I'm not gonna cover everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. You guys have a nice week. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.